Okay, so hello and welcome to the new video. Actually, this is my first video creating by visual. So, as we can see, we are going to create a Google form for collecting a data for many other purposes I collect from related to my job. So I have created already a video, but I got not created a good video, so I'm recreating this video. So firstly I do done is I gone to the Google Sheets. I have created a one sheet. In that I have named this template for creating Google form, and this is we are going to look at for. We'll use firstly you have to go to the Google Sheet, create a sheet, and then go to the tools. There we can find a create a new form. You can create a new form like this. Okay, so you can add description, you can name the sheet, add whatever you want. We'll give a question, like immediately we'll use this like lead name. To the first tab, lead name, you can select from here options like drop down or short answers, like for any other short or one liner answers or one liner inputs you can select short answer. For long inputs you can select a four paragraph. For you want to give user as options, so you can give one single option that like you are giving four options to the user, that out of which user should select only one. You can give a multiple choice option. Then if you want to select user multiple options, you can give a checkbox option, and drop down is the same like checkbox, but you will allow the user to select from drop down. Okay, then we'll go to the next point is file upload wala option b. Then this, if there is a one setting, user should, and actually I as a owner of the sheet, I want every person name and contact number in my sheet. It's mandatory, so I will mandatory is like from here only as required. I will click on required and it will be get mandatory, otherwise user can't fill the form. Next is we'll go to this and we'll collect contact number. In this it will automatically set at short answer. Then we'll make it required. Again we'll create new, that is requirement. We'll go and option, see the options like multiple choice options. We'll give multiple choice options, option A, B, C, D, whatever you want to give. Option 1 and another option the option 2. Okay, I'll make it required. Again next, keeping it short, very short. File upload all option, give access to my Google Drive. Then we'll collect the photo from the user like picture. I'm saving the time of typing here. Okay, so you can give permission and you can make it required. This one also I'm not making it required, and you can go and publish this. You can copy this link. If you want to see the responses, you can see the responses here. And if you make it any response settings, if you have any query related to it, you can drop a comment. I will make a new video related to it. There are more settings in this to do with, and you can share with other your colleagues and friends or whatever who users you want to publish with. So we are going to publish it with no restriction. We are not keeping any restrictions. Now we'll fill this form. Okay, I'm creating a, okay, I have copied the URL. I have pasted in Google form, sorry Google Chrome. Then I'm going off lead name. I created not an option, but still it's showing an option. So we'll go 1 2 3 under select an option 2. I will enter upload a file from you. You can upload any file. Okay, so maybe maybe I will upload something. So it will not take a longer time. So I have submitted this form, and we will be able to see the form here, like here only. Okay, we have selected option 1, 1 2 3 as contact number, option 2 as a requirement, and we have added a picture, that is this. Okay, so this is, I hope this video is helpful for you, and we'll create such more videos for you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. You can comment down on anything you want. I will make a new video on it.